Hello, this is Kaayla from Kaayla's Korner again. This is Big Bird Part 2 because I cut myself off on the first video because I don't know what I'm doing. So anyway, wanted to show you, if you can see Las Cruces below, just how high up this bird is. It looks over the entire valley. So Las Cruces is on the Rio Grande. It's 3,900 feet in elevation, so it's a little cooler here than Phoenix, thank heavens. It's really, really pretty, but I wanted to get a little bit closer. I pulled out my selfie stick here to see if I can't get a little closer to the parts of this bird. So again, those eyes are made out of Volkswagen lights. These legs look to be made out of tires, torn up tires. And you can see the multitude of sneakers that went into making the neck and the underbelly of this bird. The wings on both sides are made of crutches and there's some computer parts up there. I don't know if this is coming through, but then the tail, there's a cell phone up there. I see a spatula. Looks like a ski pole. The sun is starting to come out, so it's getting pretty bright out here. Again, there's so many sneakers. There's some kind of pan on the bottom of the belly of this thing. Am I losing it? I'm not sure. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty huge. It didn't say how long it took to make this, but I'm sure it took a while. So anyway, that's the bird. Thanks again for stopping by. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next journey. Bye-bye.